Phonic practice. Distinguishing sounds. Add. B. Add. Bad. Br. Add. Brad. K. Add. Cad. Cl. Add. Clad. D. Add. Dad. F. Add. Fad. Gl. Add. Glad. Add. Had. L. Add. Lad. M. Add. Mad. P. Add. Pad. S. Add. Sad. T. Add. Tad. Let's say the sentences. My dog was bad. Have you seen Brad? My dad is tall. It's just a fad. I'm glad for you. She had 2 dogs. You are a good lad. Don't be mad. Do you have a pad? She is sad. A tad more, please. The food went bad. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please check out my Patreon page and my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.